everyone, this is Dylan. Today we have a video on how to make your own dispenser to dispense snacks or soda, which I don't like soda. Remember, it makes my penis fall off. I never mentioned that. So first up, you need a line like that. As you see this line, it depends on how big of a dispenser we're making, okay? So everybody, so Dad, follow me. Come on. Can you face sissy? So that record. So I'll record Dad while he's getting the saran wrap his exact size because I don't usually know sizes.
Why don't we go back, honey, and cut the box first? Okay.
Okay, yeah, he's gonna cut the box first. I meant first, not first. All right. So I covered the video. So you see, you need. Let me show them the knife. You need this knife, okay?
Box cutter.
This a box cutter. It's called a box cutter right here. The knife is really sharp. Can I put this up your shoulder?
Yes.
You see?
Here, let me do it. Here you go.
You see it's sharp.
Okay, now let me have it. Okay.
You see?
So now you're supposed to tell them. You're only supposed to let an adult use it. Okay.
It's only supposed to let an adult use it.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can't take control of my video.
No, I'm not going to take control. Now tell them what I'm going to do.
So now Dad's going to cut out whatever size you need for his pencil. As a square. Might be super hard. Yeah, he's dispensing it.
And I'll show them the box.
So here's the box. See all of it? Next, you would need to find your favorite snacks.
No, let's get the plastic.
Wait, you need your favorite snacks in there. Before you do the plastic, wait, you have to cover it out for the side so that way you have a spot to take it out. Okay, so could you do it, Dad? On the side, a big one. So that way. Could you make more? A bigger one?
A bigger one?
Yeah.
You can stick your hand in there. Now, put them in the hole.
No.
While you're talking, I'll go get the saran wrap.
Yeah, and one more thing. You might hold on. We'll be right back.
What about pause? Okay.
I'm back, everybody.
No, okay, now tell them what I have.
I have a saran wrap. Now my dad has a saran wrap. See everybody? See everybody?
Okay, and we're gonna make it look like a window, right? Tell them.
We're gonna make it look like a window. So that one thing. Don't even close it just yet because we need to put our snacks in there.
Okay, well let's finish the window first, honey. Okay.
See how he's doing it?
Yeah.
You see it? So he's using tiny tape to tape the plastic on.
That's right. That's exactly what you're doing. That's correct.
Using tape to tape the plastic on where you cut the hole on the top of the box. It doesn't have to be a shoe box. It's just like
Any box.
it's just like any box. You don't have to do a shoe box. That's just the only box you can find. See how it? All of it. So what he's doing is he's taping the plastic on to look like the window. What is this, Spencer? And after that, we're supposed to get favorite snacks. Only one at once.
Talk some more to the people, honey. They're waiting for you.
So what that's doing, that's almost done, okay? And maybe just one more shot. Almost done. Almost done. There you go. You see the plastic wrapper? Okay, so you see, now you need a hole right here. Now you need to take this paper, which I just got. Take a scissor, just a regular scissor. So I'm back with a scissor now. So you're gonna take the paper, and then once you take the paper, you're gonna cut it. See?
Oh, what are you trying to?
Hold on. This is not the perfect size.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to make a paper to cover that hole.
Oh, here. Why don't you do it like this? Let me show you, honey. Let me show you. Let me help you out. Here,
To
okay?
cover that hole,
Yeah.
but not the bottom because that's where the food comes out. That's where the food comes out. Okay?
Yeah. Where's our pencil, buddy?
Oh. Wait, is this glued on?
No, it's not glued on. My daddy's holding on to it. Yeah.
You see it? Is all you see it? Oh, never mind. Hands on the camera. See all of it.
Okay. Now.
So now
we
that's
gotta
gonna cut it out. See? He's cutting it out. It's easy. I'm gonna fold this.